Hi students, welcome to Ashima Tutorials. Today I am here to talk to you about graph theory. Let's me begin with degree in graph. As we know, graph is mainly categorized in two ways, directed graph and undirected graph. First is start with directed graph. In directed graph, two terms we know about in degree and out degree. Firstly, in degree. In a directed graph G, the in degree of a vertex A is defined as the number of edges which have A as a terminal vertex, which is denoted by degree G plus A or D plus A. For example, this is a graph with vertex A, B, and C, right? Degree of vertex A in this graph in degree A is initial point here, so we have to count only terminal vertex, so degree of A is equal to 0, and for B degree of B is equal to 1, and for C degree of C is also is equal to 1. Out degree. In a directed graph G, the out degree of a vertex A is defined as the number of edges which have A as initial vertex. We have to note down in out degree we count only initial vertex. Out degree is denoted by degree G raised to the power minus of A or D raised to the power minus of A. For example, in given graph there are three vertex A, B and C. Here A is initial vertex of AB edge. So a degree of A is equal to 1. For B, B is also an initial vertex of BC edge. So our degree of B is equal to 1. But here C is not an initial vertex. So our degree of C is equal to 0. Remark: a vertex in a directed graph with in degree 0 is called source and out degree 0 is called sink. From above, we conclude that degree of direct graph is found by addition of in degree and out degree of same vertex. Now next, degree of undirect graph. Degree of undirect graph is total number of edges incident with any vertex. The degree of vertex A is defined by degree of G of A or D of A. Here is a remark: the self loop is counted twice. Example 1. Consider the graph G shown in figure. Determine the degree of each of the vertex in the graph G. Here A, B, C, D are the four vertex. We start with vertex A, as here vertex A, here three edges 1, 2 and 3 edges incident on A, so degree of A is equal to 3, and at B there are 1, 2, 3 edges and one self loop. As we studied earlier, self loop is counted twice. So degree of B is equal to 5. For vertex C, we count edges 1, 2. Degree of C is equal to 2. And for D, 1, 2. So degree of D is also equal to 2. Pendant vertex. A vertex with degree 1 is called pendant vertex. For example, in this graph, the vertex A and C are pendant vertex. Vertex A and vertex C are pendant vertex as degree of A and degree of C is equal to 1. Pendant H. The only edge which is an incident with the pendant vertex is called pendant edge. Now next is odd vertex. A vertex having degree odd is called an odd vertex, and vertex having a degree even is called even vertex. Incident H. An H is called incident with the vertices is connect. An edge is called incident with vertices is connected. Right? Now next, regular graph. A graph in which all the vertices are of same degree is called regular graph. K-regular graph. A graph is said to be K-regular if all its vertices have the same degree K. For example, we draw a line segment A, B. Here degree of A is also equal to 1 and degree of B is also equal to 1. So we say that this graph is one regular graph. Note, a graph whose all vertices have degree 2 is known as two regular graph. A complete graph Kn is a regular of degree n minus 1. Let's now turn to example 1. Draw a regular graph of degree 2 and degree 3. Here, the following figure is of two regular graph. In this graph, vertex V1 is of degree 2, vertex V2 is also of degree 2, vertex 3 is also of degree 2, and V4 is also of degree 2. So it is two regular graph. Similarly, for three regular graph, all the vertices have of 3 degree. V1 is of 3 degree, V2 is of 3 degree, V3 is of 3 degree, and V4 is also of 3 degree. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.